Welcome back to the next episode on Markets Kya Lagta hai. It's weekend again, and again we are talking about the markets. Now, over the week, we have had a lot of discussion, lot of things on Adani. uh, I have given my recommendations on Adani last week, so I don't want to talk about Adani so much, but I will try make an effort to talk about Nifty and possibly also Bank Nifty. Okay, so let's without wasting time, let's go to the charts. Oh, sorry. Before going to the charts, quick disclaimer: uh, investing is risky. You take your own risks, do your own analysis. Don't go with what I or anyone else says. These are only for helping you to learn. So focus on your learning, and once you learn, once you start seeing the things on the market, you will be able to take the decisions, make the decisions, and take the risks yourself. So here is our Nifty chart. I have not changed a single line from this chart. We did mention that from here the markets may go all the way till here, which was 17,800 odd levels, and from there they would most likely correct to 17,250 odd levels. This is the green line that we had, and we had an option B. We said that there is an option B, which probably is that this whole correction is over with this 4 and this 5, and if this was the 4 and this was the 5, then from here markets would go up all the way to about 18,300. So I am continuing with my same opinion. I still believe that there is one down leg pending before we go up in the market. So and we being at this high level actually gives us, I'm going to go to 15 minutes, gives us a very nice opportunity, but this opportunity is not so much tradable with IndiaVix at a very low level. So you can do credit spreads on call side. Do not do anything below 18,300. So if you have to do 18,300, 18,500, you may need to go to the monthlies or probably even next month. That is what may give you the high probability winning trade. This may not be the best time to do a credit spread on the put side, but if you want to do that, wait for markets to correct down to the levels which I'm talking here. I'm talking about 17,260, 250 levels. So if the market comes here and starts showing some reaction, you would be able to do a put credit spread. But it looks like the market is right now range bound between 18,300 on the upside and 17,300 on the downside. We are fairly at the center point, so why not sell both sides? So you could as well sell the call credit spread and put credit spread together, and yeah, as long as markets remain at these levels, you would be able to get benefited from that. So that is my opinion. At this point in time, there are lots of levels which are around the level where we are. Unless market break out of these levels strongly, 17,960, almost 18,000 markets need to come there and start showing strength. I do believe that there is a down leg pending. Okay, so that is all that I had for Nifty. Very okay. Before I say that is all that I had for Nifty, for those who are watching it for the first time, we are analyzing the markets all the way from the super trend. So there is, if you look at the monthly chart, you would see the trends, and there are too many lines out here. So the highest level is this, which is on the grand super cycle, and the lowest level that you would watch is on the 15 minutes. which is going to be actually there is one level even below that. I think this is the no, this is the lowest level, this red one, and that happens to be a sub minute level. So from the grand super cycle, we have drawn super cycle, cycle, primary, intermediate, minor, minute, minute, sub minute, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 different levels of the market. And after plotting all those different levels at different time frames, this is where we are coming with our opinion. So this should have a high probability of success, in my opinion. I do I mean, you can watch, you've got enough videos from me by now. You can watch them and see how the markets have behaved. So that is my Nifty for now. Let's go to Bank Nifty. Similarly, we have done a month back, approximately a month back, we have done similar analysis on Bank Nifty, which was something like this. And unlike our opinion on Nifty, which says that we are in a correction right now, which can go all the way till 14,000, and after that we will have a super move in Nifty. We believe that instead of that super move in Nifty, Bank Nifty around that time, Bank Nifty would probably be sideways. So there are going to be other stocks which will give that super move, but that is on the higher side. We are going to be finishing wave 3 of some sort, and then we are going to be, please don't look at the time frame could be deceiving. We might actually be going a very very long painful sideways move in Bank Nifty, but is that move started? That's a good question. So if I start counting that, and my this red one is I think, oops, I'm sorry. The red, cancel. The red one here is the grand super cycle. And after that, next level cycle is the black one, where you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then within that 5, you have got this 3 has got very nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are able to see in monthly itself. And to watch what is happening on the detail level, we are going to be going into the lower levels. So let's go to the weekly level, and from here we want to be seeing how it really reacts. So on the weekly level, which happens to be this, so next level is the blue level, which is 1, 2. There is a third, there is a fourth. Either this is clearly a fourth, and then we are in the fifth. Okay, now this fifth could be over, or it is still going on. We will have to look at it based on the detail level analysis. Okay, so let me just move this to this level, and go to the daily charts. And daily charts, we are going to be looking at the red side. So here, okay. From here, so you have got a very very deep correction to almost 100%, but not 100%. And after that, we have had a third, which is made up of this black 1, 2, and then sorry, it's actually, yes, it's actually black 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and within this 3 we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then within this 5 we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have done a lot of detailing also there. But then this black after 5, the black one has got ABC, very nice, and it looks like the whole move that we had in the third, it is corrected to about 38%. So it looks like, and we are able to clearly see ABC correction here. So in a very very high probability, this low is not going to get broken. We may not. Okay, let me go to the hourly chart and show that same part out there. Yeah, so that same part out there shows up like this. ABC is very nicely done, B is also very nicely ABC correction, and you have got a very nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also we are able to see here. And it looks like now we are starting the fifth wave. Okay, on Nifty, on one side, I saw that there is a probability of one more low before we going up. On Bank Nifty, I am not very sure if we are going to be having another low. Even if we have another low, the worst case scenario is going to be, I can't say worst case scenario, probable scenario is going to be somewhere here. So a number between 38,840 and 38,261. So that is one of the numbers that may come in. But in my opinion, from here, we have completed the first wave. Let me just go to 15 minutes and confirm on that. Yeah, here. So here, if you really look at that, let me just widen it a little bit. You are able to see a very nice structure, and it would have been very clear to you as well. There is a 1, there is a 2, there is a 3, there is a 4, and there is a 5. Okay, so there is a very nice 1, and then you've got a sideways 2, and then this is 1 2, and then probably it is about to break out. So please keep watch on the level of 41,700, 780, 41,800 levels. If Bank Nifty crosses this with a gap or with lot of conviction, it is going to go vertically up, at least for 500, 700,000 odd points. So at least it would go to around 2 3,000 points above. Uh, and it would be a steep curve if it breaks out. If we are still in this A, B, C correction, and then we are waiting for it to fall down, it may come down. So we are both on Nifty and Bank Nifty. We are at an inflection point. On Nifty, it gives us an indication that it probably wants to come down, and Bank Nifty gives us an indication that it probably wants to go up. Confusion, and that is the beauty of the markets. Watch out for those levels, see how markets react on Monday, Tuesday, to all the cues in the market, and then make your decision. Okay, so that's all I had for the week, and thanks a lot for spending time understanding the market the way I understand it. And I'm sure by now, if you would have seen a lot of my videos, you should have been able to get a grip on how the markets really move on the Elliott waves. So thank you for watching again, and see you next week. Cheers. Bye.